Hey Gearheads, Jay Leno here. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary. Did you know the President's limousine, nicknamed the Beast, isn't just a car? It's a fortress on wheels designed to protect the leader of the free world from any conceivable threat. It's practically a tank in disguise. This vehicle is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and armor that can withstand almost anything. We're talking doors thicker than an average man is tall, bulletproof glass that can stop high-caliber bullets, and a sealed environment to protect against chemical attacks. The armor is so robust that it can withstand a small army's firepower. This isn't just about stopping bullets, it's about ensuring the president's safety in any situation. It's the ultimate ride built for the most important person in the world. The motorcade itself is a well-coordinated ballet of security with the Beast at its center, but the Beast is more than just a safe space on wheels. Inside, it's a high-tech command center equipped with advanced communication systems and emergency medical supplies. It's a symbol of American power, technology, and the lengths we go to protect our leader. The sight of the Beast rolling through the streets is a powerful image of security and strength. Stick around as we pop the hood on the fascinating world of presidential rides, exploring their history, evolution, and the incredible advancements that have been made over the years. From the early days of simple armored cars to today's high-tech marvels, we'll take you on a journey through time, showcasing the incredible tech that keeps the leader of the free world safe. So buckle up, because this is going to be one fascinating ride. Now, when we talk about the presidential ride, we're not just talking about any old car. We're talking about a specially designed, heavily modified vehicle that serves as the President of the United States' official mode of transportation. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about projecting an image of strength, security, and American ingenuity. Every detail, from the gleaming paint job to the imposing grille, is carefully considered to make a statement. The presidential ride is a rolling representation of the nation itself, a symbol that commands respect and attention wherever it goes. Building a car for the most powerful person on Earth is no easy feat. Imagine the challenges: bulletproof everything, fire suppression systems, run-flat tires, and enough tech to rival a spaceship. But it's not just about cramming in every security feature imaginable. The car needs to be functional, comfortable, and somewhat stylish. And let's not forget about fuel efficiency. Gotta think about those gas prices. It's a delicate balancing act between security, practicality, and aesthetics. Every decision, every weld, every line of code involves countless hours of engineering and craftsmanship. The history of presidential rides is a fascinating journey through automotive evolution. From the early days of horse-drawn carriages to the first motorized vehicles, each era has brought its own innovations and challenges. We've seen it all: open-top touring cars, sleek limousines, and even a modified ambulance used by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Each vehicle reflects the technology and security concerns of its time. It's a testament to American ingenuity and our constant drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. Section 5: The Beasts of Burden. Iconic presidential vehicles through time. Over the years, certain presidential rides have become true icons, etched in our collective memory. These vehicles are not just modes of transportation. They are symbols of power, resilience, and the ever-evolving nature of American leadership. Each car tells a story reflecting the era it was part of and the president it served. Take the Sunshine Special, the 1939 Lincoln V12 convertible used by Franklin D. Roosevelt. This car was more than just a vehicle. It was a beacon of hope during some of America's darkest times. Roosevelt, who was paralyzed from the waist down due to polio, used the Sunshine Special to project an image of strength and mobility. This car saw it all, from the final years of the Great Depression to the Second World War. It was specially modified to accommodate Roosevelt's needs, including hand controls and a raised seat. The Sunshine Special became a symbol of the president's determination and the nation's resilience. Then there's the 1961 Lincoln Continental SS-100X, forever linked to the tragic assassination of President John F. Kennedy. This car, with its sleek design and open top, was a marvel of its time. However, it also became a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities faced by those in power. It's a stark reminder of the ever-present dangers faced by those in power. The assassination of Kennedy in this vehicle led to significant changes in the design and security features of future presidential cars. The SS-100X now resides in the Henry Ford Museum, a silent witness to a pivotal moment in American history. And who could forget the imposing Cadillac nicknamed the Beast that has become synonymous with modern presidential transport? This armored behemoth is designed to withstand almost any threat from bullets to chemical attacks. The Beast is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including night vision, a sealed interior to protect against chemical attacks, and even a supply of the president's blood type. Each vehicle has its own story to tell, a chapter in the ongoing saga of American leadership. From the Sunshine Special to the Beast, these cars are more than just metal and machinery. They are symbols of the times, reflecting the challenges and triumphs of their respective eras. As we look back at these iconic vehicles, we are reminded of the enduring spirit of the American presidency and the ever-evolving nature of its journey. Section 6. The Kennedy Connection, a secret compartment and a tragic tale. Now let's talk about a secret, a little-known fact about President Kennedy's Lincoln Continental. This car, a symbol of both prestige and tragedy, holds within it a hidden story that few are aware of. Beyond its sleek exterior and luxurious interior, it harbored a secret compartment that played a crucial role in the president's security measures. This car, despite its tragic association, had a hidden feature, a secret compartment behind the rear seat. This compartment was not just an ordinary storage space, it was meticulously designed to serve a very specific purpose. The engineers who crafted this vehicle ensured that it could meet the unique demands of the president's safety and communication needs. This compartment, accessible through a small, easily missed door, was designed to hold communication equipment, ensuring the president was always connected. In an era where instant communication was becoming increasingly vital, this feature was indispensable. The compartment housed state-of-the-art technology of the time, allowing the president to stay in touch with his advisors and respond to any situation promptly. It was a small detail, but it highlights the constant need for secrecy and secure communication in the highest office. The presence of this compartment underscores the lengths to which the Secret Service and the President's team went to ensure his safety and ability to govern effectively, even while on the move. Sadly, even with this and other security measures, the car couldn't prevent the tragedy that unfolded in Dallas. The assassination of President Kennedy remains one of the most heartbreaking moments in American history. The Lincoln Continental, with all its hidden features and advanced technology, serves as a poignant reminder of the fragility of life and the ever-present need for vigilance and security. Section 7, Beyond Bulletproof Glass, the tech that keeps the president safe. Today's presidential rides are technological marvels, packed with more gadgets than a James Bond film. We're talking about night vision cameras, run-flat tires, and armor plating that can withstand almost anything. But it goes beyond just physical protection. These vehicles are equipped with sophisticated communication systems, allowing the president to stay connected with the White House, the Pentagon, and even control the launch of nuclear weapons. It's a mobile command center, ensuring the president can lead and respond to any situation, no matter where they are in the world. Section 8, the presidential ride, a legacy of security and innovation. As we've seen, the presidential ride is much more than just a car. It's a symbol of American power, a testament to our engineering prowess, and a rolling fortress designed to protect the leader of the free world. From the earliest horse-drawn carriages to the high-tech behemoths of today, these vehicles have evolved alongside our nation, reflecting our values, our anxieties, and our unwavering commitment to security. The story of the presidential ride is a fascinating journey through history, technology, and the constant pursuit of safety in an uncertain world. Section 9, buckle up and explore more. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the fascinating world of presidential rides. What secrets do you think these cars hold? What does the future hold for presidential transportation? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and check out Jay Leno's Garage for more cool cars and fascinating stories. Until next time, keep those engines revving.